Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with Stampfunatics, and I have a really cool kit class for you today. This is called Notes of Kindness, and it's in our new annual catalog. I saw it here and I just fell in love with the colors. I fell in love with that they're thank you notes because we always need so many thank you notes. It's on page 7 of our catalog, and it makes 20 cards. You make 4 different designs and 5 of each, and then you have everything, the stamps, the blocks, everything included. And so later, if you want to make more, you can always buy a refill kit for $21. So let me just show you how beautiful these cards are. There's one of them that I made, and I literally put these together in 5 minutes. I mean, they were so fast and easy. And there's another beautiful one. And they're using some of this gorgeous copper twine that comes in it. And I'll show you that too, because I'm going to show you the whole kit. There's another one of the beautiful cards. And here's another one that has these tiny little pearls that are so pretty. But here's how it comes. It comes in this great designer box. So you can just wrap it up and give it as a gift, or you can bring it along to the beach or with your grandkids or anywhere with a friend, a crafting buddy. And you can craft with them because everything you need is going to be in here. Okay, this is what you get. You actually get a clear stamping block. That is what you're going to attach your polymer stamps to. You're going to also get some of this beautiful copper twine I was just telling you about. You're going to get an ink spot, so you'll have your ink, and this is in basic black. And then you're going to get the instructions of how to make all these. And I forgot to show you the cool envelopes. There's 20 of these. Aren't they cool? I mean, they're so nice and bright and pink and green. The colors are phenomenal. Anyway, inside here are instructions that tell you what each item is. And then on the back, it tells you exactly how to assemble it. It's simple as anything. And then you get some stickers. These are stickers. You get some of these, which are like your little sayings and your banners, like this one here that we stamped. And then you get your note cards, and they're already stamped with some of these wonderful embellishments, you know, that are already pre-printed on there. You don't have to do any stamping for that. There's sort of a wash there. And then this cool striped one. You also get some of these stickers that are the flowers that are on the cards, the leaves, and also this great black thank you that comes in different languages, comes in German, comes in French, and also thank you in American, you know, in English. So you have all those that you can put on your cards. And I'm going to just put one together real quick for you. Let's just, let's pick this one. I really like this one a lot too. I actually love them all. But just to show you how quick and easy it is. So I'm going to need the wash card. There it is. And then I'm just going to fold it and give it a nice fold with your bone folder so it creases nicely for you. I'm going to need one of those flowers, so let me find that. Okay, hang on, let's see. All right, I'm going to need one of these, and I'm going to need one of these for my 2 banners. I'm going to need one white one, and this is what I'm going to stamp my thanks on too. And let's see, I'm still looking for the flowers. Here they are. And we're just going to use this one on this card. So we just punch it out. That's how easy it is. This is great for a beginner stamper, or if you don't have a lot of time and you just want to get thank you cards out like me, this is perfect. Okay, and then I'm also going to need, let me get the stamps. I'm also going to need that little star stamp. So let me get that back out. And I'll get a little small block for it. I'm just going to use my blocks for now. And then I already have the thanks on a block. So let me clean that up a little bit. And I think I have everything I need. And then we have our little copper too that we're going to make a bow, which I've already done here. So I've just saved you the time. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to peel off one of our pink stickers. And we're just going to put it across the bottom of the card like that. And then we're going to put one of the green ones on top. And it's just going to go over it like that. All right. And then this, I'm going to add a little snail. Now this is the only thing you're going to need to add is your adhesive. Whatever type you like. You might like liquid glue. I like the snail. Just use some of your adhesive. And we're just going to put it on the card in the corner there like this. And then I'm going to take that tiny bow, and you did get, I didn't even mention it, but you do get dimensionals, and you also get some glue dots with your kit. I've already put them away, but they do come with it. So I'm just going to take a glue dot off, and I'm going to roll it a little and just put it right up here in this corner. Well, wait a minute. Let me do the stamping first. Let's do this. I'm going to take our thanks stamp, and because it's so big, I'm actually going to stamp it from this side so I can see that I get a lot of good coverage. I'm using my Memento ink. You get a basic black ink spot, so you can use that. And that way you don't get this little bit of coverage that I'm doing over the side here, which is not too good. But I'm just rushing through this because I really want to show you how cool it is. All right, let me just do that. And then we're just going to take one of those strips and go ahead, put our thanks down. And then that one, I'm going to put a few dimensionals on. So let me just take a couple. I'm just going to use probably 2. One there and one there to put my saying down. And I'm just going to have it kind of come right in between like that. Try to straighten. Now I'm going to put that little glue dot right there in the corner, and I'm going to take my little copper bow and just place it right on that. The next thing I want to do is take our little stars. I don't know, I guess they're stars. And you're just going to stamp some on this side and then some over there. And then we're done. So again, let me bring these back and show you how great all of these cards are. They're just so pretty, so fast, and I think you're really going to like it. Now I wanted to show you my host code. This is my June host code, which is this number, and you can go to Stampfunatics.com and order this kit. The item number, let me tell you so I can save you some time, on page 7 is 148266, and all of these cards, that's 20 of them, is only $35. So that's less than $2 a card. I mean, you're really getting a great deal, and they're personalized. You can do them up with your other stamps that you have and embellish them a little different if you'd like. But like I said, these are just so gorgeous the way they are. I would encourage you just to go ahead and make them the way they have them. It's fast, it's easy, and you'll have your cards done in no time. So thanks for joining me today for this quick tutorial. I do want to tell you what's coming up with me. I'm going to be showing you the Stitched All Around. This is a bundle, and it comes with the framelits, these wonderful stitched framelits. So if you loved your other stitch framelits, you're going to love this set. And I'm going to actually be making this card next with it. And then I'm also going to make a 4th of July card because I'm going to combine this with our Loyal and True. And this is just a nice one that returned in our catalog. I love it. So I'm combining the two because this framelit actually cuts this out nicely. The one that actually goes right there and right there. Those two actually, the framelit just happen to match. So I'm going to show you how to combine them. So be watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next few cards that I'll be making. And I hope you have a great day. Don't forget, subscribe, go over to my blog. You can order this great set and start stamping. Thanks.